Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D text rotation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Make the necessary adjustments through the Essential Graphics panel and adjust its duration by dragging the edge. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for the basic 3D effect, and apply it to your text layer. Customize the 3D effect by adjusting the swivel and tilt settings to rotate the text in three-dimensional space. Animate these parameters by adding keyframes to create a continuous 3D rotation effect. Preview the 3D rotation effect by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text rotating smoothly in 3D. Now you know how to create a 3D text rotation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.